Oh, this is the Best Buy thing. I've been hearing this everywhere. What you're getting to for a year.
Whoa!
This is the thing that I ever wanted. Princess Castle. I didn't mean to say
Whoa!
Wow!
Wow.
That's huge!
Over 3 feet tall.
And 50 plus pieces.
Fully furnished.
Fully furnished, it says? Santa gave you a good one.
I didn't mean to say I wanted a. Oh, do you know?
Does it have stairs?
One day, I was watching a thing like it was like this, and it was a big castle like this.
Really?
I was watching a thing like
You were
this.
watching it on television?
No, on my mommy's my iPad, and it was like this,
Wow.
and I really wanted it like
Wow.
this, and I really wanted princesses, and I wanted so many princesses. Like I wanted to do this. I really wanted.
Does it have
this.
stairs?
I really want to
So
keep
it's
it.
fully furnished.
Mimi can.
Where does it say it's fully furnished?
In the box. It's got
Oh, fully furnished.